Coming up with video ideas is hard if you're a YouTuber, so here's 25 video ideas that you can use whenever you can't think of something or to just finally get started on your channel. Hey guys, what's up? It's Muaaz here and welcome back to another video. So every single new year, people set a goal to finally start their YouTube channel, and since 2020 is just around the corner, I thought now would be a great time to make this video. If you're a YouTuber, then you definitely know how hard it is to actually come up with the video ideas, so here's just some that I quickly whipped up for this video. If you guys are feeling generous though, maybe drop a comment with a video idea of your own that might actually help someone out who just doesn't know what to upload and they might be reading the comments or something. Also, I know that I've never made a video like this before, so if you guys do end up enjoying it, please do let me know by hitting that like button because that will tell me if I should make more videos like this in the future. But anyways, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first one is just gonna be make a day in the life video. If you're a college student, there's probably a way that you can include that in the title. If you work at like McDonald's or something, you can probably include that too. Just like the other day, I was watching a day in the life video of someone who works at FedEx and just delivers packages all day. And I spent like maybe 8 minutes watching it and it had 400,000 views. And I enjoyed it all the way through. Like, I promise you, there's an audience for literally anything as long as you can like market it the right way. Now for number 2, just do a what's on my phone video. Like, these videos do really well in the tech community, and if you just don't know what to do for your own, you can look some others up to gain some inspiration. And like, for example, I can make a video like what's on my iPhone, and then show you guys like some of the apps that I use every day, which ones I like, which ones I don't like, and why I use all of them. Now for number 3, you can make reaction videos, and I know they're pretty common these days, but if you make good ones and just have a really likable personality, I promise you that you will find success doing it. For number 4, if you're really good at a game, making helpful gaming videos to teach others how to get good too will definitely pay off in the long run. People are honestly always looking up that kind of stuff, so you might as well just take advantage of it if you're good at a game. For number 5, if you have a cool setup, then maybe make like a gaming setup video or like a room tour, because honestly, there's a huge audience for people who like to watch setup videos and room tours and things like that, so definitely consider it if you can. Also, I will have an updated room tour coming out soon, so definitely turn on my post notifications just so you can get a notification when I do upload that. But anyways, let's get on to number 6. So 2020 is just around the corner, so for number 6, maybe make a video about the goals that you have for the new year, and then look back on that video like when the year ends. And if you're watching this video in a few months too, just make a video about the goals you have right now in general, and then what you're going to do to actually accomplish them. For number 7, if you've ever gone through like a life-changing event that other people might go through as well, maybe make a video about how you dealt with it. Whether it's like joining the military or losing a family member or a friend or whatever, you could literally change someone else's life by just sharing your experience of how you dealt with it. For number 8, if you have a friend who went through like a life-changing event, maybe do an interview with them because it would have the exact same outcome as the last idea for number 7. You could literally help a random person who's watching the video that might be struggling with something in their own life. For number 9, if you have any pets like super cute dogs or cats, definitely make videos with them. Like, I promise you, I watch so many videos with pets in them just because they make my days so much better. And I might be selfish like with this video idea, but I just want more pet videos to watch, so please upload them. For number 10, just make a rant video about something that's been bothering you, like that might be going on in the world, whether it's like politics or about a game, music, or whatever. Like, people are always interested in hearing other points of views on current events. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. For number 11, just make videos about life experiences. And most people really don't know this, but before FaZe Clan was like a huge global thing, they would just have their creators who were like high schoolers and like just playing games and just talking about their stressful day at school or something that happened at their job back in the day and things like that. And I promise you, there is an audience for everything, like I said before. You just have to market your videos correctly. Like, I used to watch FaZe Adapt all the time, and he would talk about how he was struggling in his calculus class, and he'd always talk about the stories that he had for it. And I'll just watch that while I was like eating food or like doing my homework, and he was just playing a game on YouTube. Like, it's literally that simple, and it's just him talking about his life experience for that day or that week or whatever. For number 12, a lot of people actually enjoy when I make inspirational and motivational type videos, so that's something you can try as well. Also, let me know if you guys do want another one of those. It's been a while since I made one, so just let me know. For number 13, you can just make a video talking about your favorite movies of all time and why. And in case you guys are interested, some of my favorite movies are Ready Player One, Get Out, Interstellar, and Into the Spider-Verse. So let me know what your guys' favorite movies are too. Another thing for number 14 is you can make a video about like your favorite albums if you like music a lot, or like your favorite musicians, and then explain why. But anyways, let's move on to number 15. Talk about what you would do if you randomly won like $1 million or like the lottery or something like that. Like, sometimes I post tweets like asking you guys to like respond, saying like what would you do if like $100,000 just randomly fell in your bank account. So definitely follow my Twitter if you guys want to reply to the next one. But I just love thinking about stuff like that. Like, imagine just you randomly won like $1 billion. Like, what would you do with it? Like, how do you spend the money? How do you invest it and things like that? Like, that's a really cool video idea that you could definitely use. Like, why am I talking so fast? For number 16, if you're good at something, share some tips for other people that might want to learn. Like, if you're good at basketball, explain how you got to where you are. If you're really good at like test taking, explain like how others can study like you do as well, so that they can get good grades and things like that. For number 17, if you even have somewhat of a following right now, like even like 20 subs or like 30 subs or whatever, literally just make a video asking your subscribers like what videos they want to see from you. Like that's an easy way to get even more video ideas. For number 18, just make a video talking about facts about yourself, and it will be a fun way to like look back on it someday in the future and just see how you've grown as a person. So for number 19, since Christmas is just around the corner, for those of you guys who do celebrate, maybe make a video talking about what I got for Christmas, or like if you don't celebrate, then maybe make a video talking about what I got for my 18th birthday, or like you can replace the age of course, but you know, just things like that. Now for number 20, just make a review video about literally anything that you own. Like a lot of people might want something that you already have and they're not sure if they should buy it yet. So maybe that's something that you could do to help them make a good purchase or even save them from wasting some money. Like I could definitely make a review video about this keyboard right here, or like the microphone that I'm using to record this video, or like the camera. Like the options are honestly endless. So there's always something that you can make a review video about if you have something that you think other people might want. For 21, just make a rant video talking about things that bother you and why they do bother you. For 22, make a gameplay video. Try to include your voice or something so that it doesn't get boring, because honestly, normal gameplays definitely get boring these days. Always try including like a face cam or like a voice, or just like some fun editing style if you can. For number 23, you can literally just start a walkthrough for a game that has a really good story mode, and don't worry about the fact that the game might be old. It could still hit the recommended on YouTube, and you could blow up that way as well. For number 24, if you're funny or creative, definitely consider making skit videos because they go viral all the time, and one of my favorite creators that does this is Trevor Wallace. Literally every single video that he uploads has me laughing all the time. And now for the last one, tip number 25, just do what I did with this video and just make a video talking about video ideas for other people to use. Alright guys, obviously that one is a joke, but yeah, like that's 25 video ideas that you guys can definitely use to either start your channel because 2020 is just around the corner and I know a lot of people are about to start, or just use when you don't know what else to do. And this is my first time doing this before, like I said, man, I really just can't talk right now, but basically what I'm trying to say is like this is my first time like making a video like this one. So if you guys did enjoy it, please do let me know by tapping the like button. And also guys, please just do keep in mind that your videos aren't gonna always come out the way you want them, but you just have to start from somewhere. Like everyone improves along the way, so don't worry if your first few videos are bad. Like they actually should be bad because there's no other way for you to improve it, like in the long run. If that makes sense. Yeah, that definitely makes sense. Like, you can probably go look up all your favorite YouTubers, go look at all their oldest videos and compare them to like their newest ones. There's a huge improvement for probably every single creator on YouTube, and it's gonna be the same for you too. So don't worry if your like first few videos are bad because you're just gonna improve from there with every new upload. Anyways guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please, like I said before, drop a sub and a like if you guys did and want to see more videos like this. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.